Trash find. This is gonna be one of my first scrapping videos. So if you're joining me for the first time, thank you. Hit that like and subscribe. Never thought I'd be saying that. You'll have to bear with me here. I'm just using my phone this time. So in these plugs, I like to go ahead and take these tabs off. Some brass, real easy. And then I take my wire and I just throw it into a bin that my scrapyard takes, and just a flat rate per pound for this kind of scrap wire. All sorts of types that I put in there. Let's see what we got here. I was coming home the other day, take my son to school, and saw this in somebody's trash. So it's right up my alley. Now, I take everything apart. To the smallest measure that I can. Because I have a lot of time. This thing is so dirty. Itty bitty screws. So I got into scrapping a little over a year ago and found some great channels that I like to watch. I don't know that I'll ever, get that cool or famous, but never know until you try. Mostly just want to have fun. A lot of times I do this with my boy. He's at school right now. When I start to remember, I'll give shout outs to the people I like to watch. One that comes to mind is Dumpster Marcus. He's got a pretty cool little setup. Some of the stuff I find is trash, I'll go ahead and test, fix up, sell if it's worth it. I do a lot of repurposing of parts if I find some good parts. Then I'll go ahead and save those and repurpose them for something cool. Maybe a piece of furniture, something for my house, for my shop. Or I'll sell it. I've got lots of ideas and things. Let's see here. Aluminum attached to a piece of steel. We'll get to that later. Like I said, I take everything down to its bare part. I've got a whole bucket of those. Someday I'll get them apart. So I just take it all. What I'm really excited about someday is showing off my shop, which I call my shop, my workshop. It's in my barn. I call it a barn. There's no animals in it, but it's where I like to spend my time and do my work now that I'm retired and I have free time. There we go. Piece of brass, spare wire, scrap wire. When I first started watching videos and whatnot, I used to make fun of all you guys. You know, for whether it's the way you talk or the things you say or whatever. Not anymore. I'm joining your ranks. So for all of you out there that think I'm a goof, I love it. Because I'm living my best life. Doing what I want to do. That'll come apart. There's probably a little bit of copper in that. I doubt there's any silver in that switch. Tear this apart. Watch lots of videos on those. These things here, I just goes into shred, iron shred. Well, that's it. Basically, it's all tore apart. I've been filming here for 9 minutes. That's about, I guess, what it takes to tear most of that down. Sometimes they take longer. Sometimes it goes quicker. That's basically it. Put my tools back up where they go. little bit of brass in there that I've been just taking off different things. A couple of clasps that are on there, and then these come off of an old outlet that was in my house that I've replaced with new ones because they were broken.